everyone, today we're going to repair a Beko washer dryer, model WDER7440421W. Let's figure out what's going on with it. But first, a big thank you to all of you watching my videos. Let's dive in and make this one awesome. To start, we'll first connect the washer dryer to the hoses, get everything set up, plug it in and run it to see exactly what the issue is and what we need to do next. For testing, there's no need to run a full cycle. We'll just hit start to see if water comes into the machine, and if the motor runs briefly, that's enough. After that, we'll switch the program and move on to draining, so we can check if the drain is working properly or not. As you saw, water has come into the washer, the motor ran, and now I'm going to drain. I'm switching the cycle to spin and drain to see if the drain works properly. Then we'll move on to the next diagnosis. Once again, I just want to thank you for subscribing and liking. If you're new to my channel and watching this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a like. Also, if you have an appliance you'd like to swap, or if you have a similar appliance to what I'm repairing, feel free to leave a comment. I'll definitely reply, and if I can help, I absolutely will. So, to keep the video from getting too long and to avoid boring you, I've sped up this part where we do the spin and drain. This way we can get through it quicker and see how it ends up in just a few seconds.
Two hearts finding where to meet. Life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark.
As you can see, it got stuck on the final long draining time where it should pump out the water. We realised the drain pump has an issue. I'll need to check or replace it. Since the drain pump isn't too costly, it's best to just replace it in a situation like this. First, we'll drain the water from the drum by opening the front pump cover. Using the drain section, we can empty the water. Once that's done, access will be easy and we can get our work done. Alright, I've taken out the pump and as you can see on camera, it's just dirty and needs a good cleaning, no actual damage. Often these pumps get debris or dirt inside, especially around the armature or sealing area, causing them to stop working. So I'll just clean it up, put it back in and it should work perfectly fine again. Now that we've reattached the pump in its place, we've securely connected its power cable as well. I've double checked the alignment and ensured everything is snug and sealed properly. At this point, the pump is fully in place, the wiring is secure, and we're ready to run a fresh test cycle to confirm everything is functioning as it should. Let's power it up and see how smoothly it drains now. Once again, if you're watching and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, share it with others, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll catch all my new videos. I really appreciate your support. Alright, everything's working fine, but to do a full test, I'm going to run a complete wash and dry cycle. I'll let it finish the whole process, and at the end, I'll show you how it turned out. And finally, thanks again for watching my video. If you have any thoughts, drop them in the comments, and take care of yourselves until the next video.